This video in the most beautiful 10 places in Sri Lanka. 1. Sigiriya. Sigiriya, also known as the Lion Rock, is a UNESCO World Heritage Site located in Sri Lanka, renowned for its historical and archaeological significance. Rising 200 meters above the surrounding landscape, Sigiriya served as a fortress and palace in the 5th century, built by King Kasayapa. The site's most distinctive feature is the colossal lion's paw entrance, leading to the summit where ancient ruins, including a palace complex, can be explored. Sigiriya's frescoes, depicting celestial maidens, known as Apsaras, adorn the rock walls, offering a glimpse into the artistic and cultura. To Adam's Peak. Shripada, also known as Adam's Peak, is a sacred mountain in Sri Lanka revered by multiple religious traditions, including Buddhism, Hinduism, and Christianity. Rising to an elevation of 2,243 meters, Shripada is famous for the Shripada, or Adam's footprint, a depression at its summit believed to be the footprint of Buddha, Lord Shiva, or Adam, depending on the religious interpretation. Pilgrims undertake the challenging ascent to reach the summit, especially during the pilgrimage season, which typically runs from December to May. Three. Safari Park. A safari is a thrilling and immersive wildlife adventure, often conducted in natural habitats, providing a close encounter with diverse fauna in their native environment. Safari experiences can take place in various regions globally, such as the savannas of Africa, the jungles of South America, or the national parks of Asia, offering a chance to witness wild animals in their natural behaviors. Safari vehicles, ranging from open-top jeeps to boats, enable tourists to explore and observe wildlife while maintaining a safe distance and respecting the animals' habitats. Four. Hikkaduwa. Hikkaduwa is a vibrant coastal town located on the southwest coast of Sri Lanka, renowned for its stunning beaches and lively atmosphere. The town is a popular destination for tourists, offering a mix of water sports, vibrant nightlife, and a laid-back beach culture. Hikkaduwa's coral reefs are a major attraction, making it a prime spot for snorkeling and diving, allowing visitors to explore the rich marine life. 5. Udawalawa. Udawalawa is a town in Sri Lanka known for its renowned Udawalawe National Park, a wildlife sanctuary dedicated to the conservation of elephants and other diverse species. Udawalawe National Park is famous for its large population of wild elephants, providing visitors with exceptional opportunities. The park's picturesque landscapes include grasslands, marshes, and water reservoirs, creating a diverse environment that supports a variety of wildlife. Beyond elephants, such as crocodiles, deer, and numerous bird species. Six. Mirissa Beach. Mirissa is a charming coastal town situated on the southern coast of Sri Lanka, celebrated for its pristine beaches and relaxed atmosphere. The main beach in Mirissa offers golden sands, crystal clear waters, and is a popular destination for sunbathing, swimming, and water sports. Marisa has gained fame as one of the best locations for whale watching in Sri Lanka, providing opportunities to spot majestic blue whales and other marine life. Seven, Polonnaruwa. Polonnaruwa is an ancient city in Sri Lanka that served as the second capital of the country after the destruction of Anuradhapura. Recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, Polonnaruwa boasts well-preserved archaeological and architectural treasures dating back to the 12th century. The city is home to the iconic Galvihara, a group of 4 Buddha statues carved into granite, showcasing exceptional craftsmanship and artistic skill. Eight, Galay Face Beach. Galay Face is a prominent urban park located in the heart of Colombo, the capital city of Sri Lanka, along the shores of the Indian Ocean. The Galay Face Green provides stunning panoramic views of the ocean, especially during the evening sunset, attracting many visitors for a tranquil and scenic experience. Nine, Galay Fort. Galay Fort is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, located in the historic city of Galay, Sri Lanka, renowned for its well-preserved colonial architecture and maritime history. Originally built by the Portuguese in the 16th century and later fortified by the Dutch, Galay Fort stands as a testament to the island's strategic importance during the colonial era. The fort's sturdy walls enclose a charming mix of narrow cobblestone streets, colonial buildings, boutique shops, cafes, and art galleries, creating a unique and atmospheric experience for visitors. Ten, Anuradhapura. Anuradhapura is an ancient city in Sri Lanka and was the country's first capital, holding significant historical and religious importance. Designated as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, Anuradhapura boasts a vast archaeological complex with ruins dating back over 2 millennia, including ancient dagobas, monastic buildings, and royal palaces. The city was a center of Buddhist civilization, and the sacred Bodhi tree in Anuradhapura is believed to be a sapling from the original tree under which Buddha attained enlightenment.